just having a look at some of the strategy types and stuff like that, and having like a little live brainstorm. I'm interested in like this overlapping liquidity stuff here. I think I can see where it came from, like the point you raised about impermanent loss as well, like at the very start, and that not really making sense for people. So it doesn't really, you don't really want to provide liquidity on an AMM. So therefore, it's like, okay, how do we sort of like claw this a little closer to an order book? But this overlapping liquidity strategy, I was just thinking here with Pump.Fun, they kind of solved a problem for meme coins, which was it's really, really hard to bootstrap a pool. It's really difficult to get liquidity in the first place. So what you do is this bonding curve. Okay, cool. Everybody gets to sort of jump into this bonding curve, and they use that liquidity to set up the initial pool. Sweet. But you're still stuck with an AMM. And of course, bots are just going to snipe now. Like human beings can't really play ball in that world. So yeah, I'm going to have a think about this as well. There's probably some utility here where instead you take the Pump.Fun concept and then you set up an overlapping liquidity strategy. You see where I'm going with this? Like this might make it a little bit.
Yeah, it's already happening. Yeah, like since we deployed, just all of a sudden, like 2/3 of the calls that I have every week are with token projects on Say that are like learning about carbon DeFi, and yeah, like I think our solution is even slightly better. So you can do it with an overlapping liquidity position for sure, right? And bootstrap the pool exactly the same way that Pump.Fun does. But you've also got other bells and whistles there.